Biodiversity and its conservation. Here, we will study number 1. Variation in plants. Number 2. Monocots and dicots. Number 3. Observation of seeds. Variations in plants. When we go to a garden, what do we see? Do we see flowers of the same size and shapes? No. You feel odd when you see flowers with one color. On the other hand, flowers with different colors look awesome. In this way, nature's biodiversity carries flora and fauna with the variation help. Flowers are of different shapes, sizes, colors, textures, etc. The act of separating plants into different categories is called classification. Classification is used to identify and organize the different types of plants in the world. Scientists created a way to organize plants so they would keep track of them. There are two very important types called monocots and dicots that you will be identifying in this activity. Monocots. The word mono means one. Monocots get their names from having one cotyledon. A cotyledon is the part of the seed that will grow into the leaves. Monocot can be identified by their flowers parts. The flower parts on a monocot plant come in multiples of 3. Monocot leaves have parallel or up and down veins. Monocot stems have scattered vascular bundles. Vascular bundles are the veins of the plant. They carry nutrients and water up and down the stem. Dicots. The word di means two. Dicots get their names from having two cotyledons instead of one. Dicot flower parts come in multiples of 4 or 5. Count the petals and identify whether they are multiples of 4 or 5. Dicot leaves have veins that are scattered or netted. This means they do not follow a pattern. Dicot stems are normally woody. Here, we can see a section of a tree. The rings of a tree contain the old veins called xylem and phloem. Let us see some of the activity of variation in plants. Activity 1. Variation in two different neem plants. Neem plant is scientifically called as Azadirachta indica. Now, take a look at small and big neem plants. In the following given table, write the difference between small and big neem plants by observing them. Name of the plants. Neem 1. Length of stems short. Number of leaves approximately 3. Size or shape of leaves small. Color of leaves light green. Venation pinnately compound leaves. Name of the plant Neem 2. Length of stems taller. Number of leaves approximately 30 to 40. Size or shape of leaves big. Color of leaves dark green. Venation palmately compound leaves. Activity 2. Variation in monocot and dicot. A plant with single cotyledon is known as monocot, and the plants with two cotyledons are known as dicots. Examples of monocots are maize, rice plants, banana tree, and onion. Examples of dicots include tomatoes, peppers, potatoes, cauliflower, broccoli, beans, peas, clovers, apples, and pears.